Donna DeBolt used to say FASD, like having good intelligence, is like having a sports car with no wheel or brakes.
Yes, and that's the thing, is that you have to think about what it is that it does. And we're getting more and more understanding of brain pathways. Now, one of the challenges we've got, and this is something we're hoping to develop in the UK as well, is when we do the scanning, so you talked about Catherine's work, Catherine Lavelle. Catherine does brilliant work looking at imaging, but it's limited because you have to go into a scanner.
Yep.
And there's
I did it. I have a video. I went in it. Yeah.
And so it's noisy. You know, I've had an MRI.
It's like this.
And I had to come out first time because I got claustrophobic.
Yeah.
And I don't get claustrophobic, but it's really quite freaky.
Yeah.
And you can't move. And so there's only so much you can do.
Yep.
What we need to do that is to find a way of doing it in a real world situation. So you'll like this because you like Star Trek.
Yeah.
I need a Star Trek tricorder. I need a tricorder that I can go like this and say, what's Jeff's brain doing?
Right.
And then I can actually say, this is what we're doing at this time. And we don't have that.
Yeah, it's agreed.
Because what you have to do is you have to take the Earth's magnetic core out of the room. And so one of the reasons you go into a special room for that is it's called a Faraday cage. It's
MRI.
Yeah, because it prevents the Earth's magnetic.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. So the pictures will be distorted by the Earth's magnetic field if it wasn't in what we call the Faraday cage, which is preventing it. And so that's why it's so hard to get a Star Trek tricorder, because we can't do it.